So here we have this 15-inch folding chess and checkers set. This is a really cool chessboard and it's super high quality. The board is a beautiful combination of beech for the outside of the box and then maple and walnut for the checkered pattern. Undoing these two locks, you can unfold the board to reveal the inside with all the pieces. Each piece has its own spot so they stay nice and organized. But one problem this has is you do have to take all the pieces out from both games because if you flip the board over, they're all going to fall out anyway. So apart from that, these are some really nice looking chess pieces. They're made from walnut and maple and have a felt pad at the bottom to reduce noise. The checkers pieces are also great quality, and an added bonus is that they stack. And after setting this board up, it looks great. It really feels like a premium chessboard, but at only a fraction of the cost. Now, this set doesn't have any coordinates, and that might be a deal breaker for the hardcore chess players out there, but for the average player who doesn't know how to use them, this board might just be perfect.